My name is Sean Peterson. I've done over 6 figures profit with the Amazon Influencer Program. And in today's video, I'm going to give you guys 5 tips to crush your competition so you make more than everyone else. Let's get into it. So let's cut the fluff and BS and dive into 5 tactical strategies that are going to help you destroy your Amazon influencer competition. Or in other words, how to make more than everyone else. And the best part is we're going to do it with less work. So buckle up, get excited. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and then jump into my screen. And the first thing I want to do is give you guys a fundamental lesson that every single Amazon influencer needs to understand like the back of their hand. And that is how top influencers become top influencers and how the top influencers make the most compared to everyone else. And that is by them getting into what's called top carousel. So right here, we've got a product detail page. If you come over here to this little video icon, you click on it, you're going to see related videos for this product. These videos are Amazon influencers. And if I was to watch this video and then buy the product, that influencer would get a commission. And that's the beautiful part about Amazon Influencer. You don't have to drive any external traffic. The videos that you upload get placed on the product detail pages of the product listings. And if customers just watch the video and buy the product, boom, you get paid. So the golden question is, how do you show up more often into Top Carousel? Because you're going to see that there are only 5 videos right here. 5 videos out of 99 influencers. So there are 99 influencers that have made a review on this product. And the question is, okay, well, how do I make my video to get shown into Top Carousel? And not only Top Carousel, but there's also what's called a bottom carousel. So if we scroll down right here, you're going to see that there are also videos related to the product. And here are a bunch of them. So again, if I click on this, I watch the video and then I buy the product, that influencer is going to get a commission. So you need to understand that the secret to making more than everyone else is getting into Top Carousel and getting your videos in front of more people. Because the more people that watch your videos and buy the product, the more commissions. It's very simple. So you need to understand that. And now that you do, we're going to dive into, again, those tactical strategies that are going to help you literally annihilate and destroy your competition. So the first tip that I'm going to give you is you guys need to understand the star tiers. And the main goal is to become bronze as quick as possible, because it's going to help you unlock what's called creator connections, which we're going to be talking a lot about. If you don't have bronze, then you're not going to have access to the creator connections program, which is literally the gold mine of the entire program. So you need to get bronze. And then once you do that, you need to get platinum as soon as you possibly can. And the reason being is platinum is going to give you early access to creator connections campaigns. And it's also going to show this badge on your storefront. So this is my brother's storefront. You can see it says top creator. When people see his storefront, they know he's credible, he's reliable, and that he is a legitimate top creator. So if you want to be a top influencer, you need to be and get platinum status. So this is how it works. You're going to earn points, which is going to unlock the different tiers. You're going to unlock the higher tiers. And then there's a ton of different benefits, which are right here. So you have a ton of different benefits. I'll put the link to this down below. But again, the main one that I'm looking at is bronze. You get creator connections, and then platinum, you get that top creator status plus early access to campaigns, which is an absolute gold mine. So do whatever you can to unlock these things. And the 4th and 5th tip that I'm going to be sharing in this video is going to help you advance the ranks a lot faster. So make sure to stay until the very end. So with that said, shoot for bronze, get platinum ASAP. The second tip that I'm going to give you is going to blow your mind, and it is how can you get more free products to make more? And we're going to be doing this by leveraging what's called creator connections. So what we're going to be doing is using a tool called Viral View. I'll put the link in the description down below. I was kind of showing you guys some things right here as I was clicking on the total influencer video count, showing all the different data points. That's what Viral View is going to do. It's an extension. It also has a web app. You get a lifetime 10% discount with the coupon code down below, AMZ Champions. So make sure to use that, download that, and then go to Creator Connections. And again, if you're unfamiliar with Creator Connections, you need to be bronze status or above. And once you do that, you just come to the extension, click Creator Connections, and it will take you to this page. From here, Creator Connections is a gold mine. I'll say it and I'll say it again. I've said it multiple times, but basically sellers are going in and creating different campaigns of products that they're selling. And they're incentivizing us creators to make videos about the product and promote it. And as a result, they're going to give us an increased commission rate. So instead of making 2 to 4%, we can make 10, 20, even up to 50% by promoting these products. And again, right here, you're going to see that there's 256,000 campaigns. And it's like, okay, how do I dissect and find the best campaigns in the campaign database. We're talking about millions of products. There's 2 million plus products inside of Creator Connections. And so it's like, okay, well, how do I get the free products? How do I know which ones are the best? How can I really understand this? And that's where Viral View comes into play. So you come to Creator Connections, you hit what's called Product View. So you click this button, and what it's going to do is it's going to pull all of the products inside the campaigns, and it's going to sort them from best to worst. Or in other words, products that have high revenue and low competition. And if you can get products that fit that criteria, that is where you're going to show up into top carousel more often. And the more often you can be in top carousel, the more money you're going to make. And not only that, but you're going to be making an increased commission. So right here, this product that's doing $35,000 a month literally has no competition. If you make a video on this product, you're going to be getting 15% of every sale that you drive. So that's an absolute no-brainer. So this is going to help you find those awesome products. Because if we come back over here, I'll show you guys, Viral View is going to give you a ton of data and insight of like, hey, this is what the product is, and here's the score. You're going to see that the total influencer video count is 99. So you're competing against 99 influencers. So the chances of you making a video and uploading it to this listing and getting placed into top carousel is slim to none. There's 5 spots out of 100. So again, you don't want to be looking for products like that. Yes, it does have good 30-day revenue, but the competition is super high, so the viral score is going to be low. But if we come back to Creator Connections, you're going to see that the viral score is super high, revenue is high, and the total influencer video count is 0, 1, 0. Basically no competition. So those are the products that we're looking to get, which leads into the next golden question is, well, how do I get these products? Do I buy them or what? You can buy them if you want, but there's an even easier way to get them for free, which again, this is the tactical strategy that I'm sharing with you guys. You're going to come right here. You see this little checkbox. You're going to be like, okay, well, I want this product. I want this product. I want this product. You're going to scroll down and see if there's any other products. And so I'm just going to click on these things. And as you can see, we've got a good list of, we've got 5 ASINs that I've selected. And just for the sake of this video, I won't click anymore, but you can click and click and click and technically send 100 automated messages every single day if you really wanted to. And what you're going to do is you're going to create a template that is customized of, hey, my name is Trevin. I'm a top platinum Amazon influencer. Again, that's why it's important to have the platinum status, is you can sell yourself in these templates. I am interested in these ASINs, and then you put the placeholder there. And here's my storefront. Can you send me a free sample? And that is my reach out. And then I'm going to come right here and hit send message. And with the click of a button, it's going to automate the outreach for you, and you can send dozens of messages in a matter of seconds. So I just reached out to 5 brands requesting for a free product. And this is the same exact strategy that my brother and I just did in the last 2 months. We have gotten sent over 500 products, over $30,000 by clicking Viral View's send request template. It's absolutely insane. It works amazing. And from there, what it's going to do is you can come over here to the messages, and it will show you the messages. And if I come right here and I click on this particular seller, so this is the message that it sent. So I reached out with my template, so it sent the message, and then it's going to show the status of the brand deal. So if they responded, I can adjust it, and then you can come over here and hit manage deal, and it will open up in the Viral View web app where it will show you every single product that you've reached out to, the status of every single listing, and the status of every single thing that you need to know about that product. This is literally the cheat code. You guys can manage everything in one place. Automate outreach, and then as soon as you do the outreach, it gets imported into the brand deal sheet and it tracks everything. So these are the products that I just reached out to, as you can see, and it gets imported, and then you can manage it, you can complete it, you can write a note about it. And then when it comes time to upload the video, it's super easy to know what products are coming in. And for those that are new, you might not see the value in this right now, but when you are getting 500 plus products in a span of 2 months, you are going to need something like this. So that is what this tool is going to allow you to do, and it just makes it super nice. And then you also have custom templates that you can do right here. So if they're like, hey, what's your address? You just click this and you fill out the template. So you can create any custom template that you want, but you just click this and then it will literally just populate it for you. So the tedious and manual work that you used to have to do, you don't have to anymore. And not only the manual and tedious work, you couldn't even go in and find which products have the most potential without having a software like Viral View. So you're saving time, you are finding the best products and it's all organized in one place. So what used to take, we're talking about a virtual assistant working 40 hours plus per week, can't do what this can do in a matter of seconds. So that is the second tactical strategy, is reaching out to brands, requesting for free samples. And again, you're getting high quality products with high revenue, low competition, and increased commission rates. That is the secret to destroying your competition. And as you do that, you're going to skyrocket your commissions. And as you do that, you're going to advance in the ranks. So as soon as you unlock bronze, you can start doing this. And as you get more and more products and get more samples in with good criteria of a winning product, that's where you're going to advance the ranks. So that's the second tip. The third tip, I'm going to blow your guys' mind even more. And it's inside Creator Connections, and it's accepting campaigns. So it's one thing to make videos. So as you can see right here, my brother has 2,200 videos, which is a lot. If you don't do what I'm about to show you in accepting campaigns, you're not going to get the increased commission rates. You're going to continue earning the 2 to 4%. But if you come back here, you click this button, accept related campaigns, you click this little checkbox and you hit start. And what this is going to do, it is pulling all of the ASINs from my storefront and it's cross-checking the campaign database, and it's going to find and accept campaigns that you have content for. And this is literally how we went from making like no money with Creator Connections to over $5,000 by clicking this single button. This button will save you, we're talking hundreds of hours every single week. And not only that, it will help you skyrocket, double, triple, quadruple your commissions. The people that are using this tool are literally quadrupling their commissions overnight by clicking this one simple automation tool. So you just come to Creator Connections, hit accept related campaigns, and then it will go in and it will just go in and find the campaigns for you. So that is the third tip. If you guys want a more in-depth video that goes over this entire thing, it's super easy. You literally just click a button and it just runs for you. But that is the third tactical tip. Find and accept related campaigns. That alone will make you more money than anything else. Now, jumping into the fourth tactical strategy, we're going to be leveraging Viral Views Order History Scanner. What this allows you to do is go to your Amazon Prime account, go to the Orders tab, and hit refresh and scan all of your past orders in a matter of minutes. So right here, you're going to see that I have 1,700 orders that I have bought on Amazon. And then from there, what it's going to do is I'm going to click on the extension and it's going to pull all of those products and compile a list and sort it from best products to worst. Or in other words, products that have high demand and low competition. So products like this that have 41,000 in 30-day revenue, and there's only 2 influencer videos. And you're going to see that my placement, it will actually tell me that I'm in top carousel. Here's another one. It's doing 16,000. There's 0 influencer videos. And it's like, why am I not reviewing this product? I have it. Here's another one. It's doing 16,000 with no competing influencers. Here's another one. It's doing 1 million. There's only 35. Here's one, 17,000, 2 influencers. So basically you just go find the golden product opportunities that you already own. You don't have to buy any products. You can just review the products that you already have at your house. And by doing this, this is going to help you advance to bronze, silver, gold, and platinum status, is by finding the best product opportunities to review. And the products that you already own at your house. So literally, you have the Viral View extension, you download it, you go to your order history, you scan it, and you find product opportunity after product opportunity. I mean, it's insane how much money we spend on Amazon. I mean, we just had a package delivered today. We probably had a package delivered yesterday, and so on and so forth. So it's super easy to just go scan your order history and then start reviewing these products because they have the highest potential and the most opportunity. And for me, when it comes to the Amazon Influence Program, I'm all about how can I use my time most wisely, because that's the one thing that we don't have enough of is time. So if you can find products faster, if you can find and accept campaigns faster, if you can automate brand reach out, if you can use customized templates, if you can sift through millions of products and know which ones are the best, that's the secret. That is what the top influencers are doing in order to become top influencers. So now let's dive into the fifth and last strategy, which is when you're shopping on Amazon, you need to be buying the product that has the most potential. So if you're going to be spending your hard-earned cash, buy a product that has potential for you to make your money back. That is the beautiful part of Amazon Influencer. And basically what you can do is you can search for a product. So let's say I want to build out my home gym. I want to get more weights. I just search weights. And if I'm going to already be buying some dumbbells or some bumper plates, I just come right here and I can pull up the product view extension and it will literally show me which ones have the most potential. So like these dumbbells, 24,000, and it only has 2 competing influencer videos. These bumper plates, it's doing 122,000 with 1 total influencer video. And it will show me if it has a creator connections campaign. This is, again, secret sauce that nobody else is talking about. You can find products that have creator connections campaigns by browsing. So I can come right here, I can filter this out and be like, okay, which ones have creator connections campaigns? This one has really good campaigns, 15% plus the revenue is high, plus there's no competition. This is the product that I'm interested in. Or maybe these ankle resistance bands, it's got creator connections campaigns, it's doing good revenue, and there's only 5 competing influencer videos. That's a product that I'd be interested in. So as you go and you're looking on Amazon and browsing, and if you're going to be buying something, buy the products that have the most potential. Now, those are just 5 of many. I'm excited for you guys to dive into it and jump into Viral View. Again, I'll put the link in the description, and there's tons of resources. And again, we're just scratching the surface of how you can become the top influencer. But these 5 strategies, if you implement them now, you will be getting more free products than you can keep up with. You will be quadrupling and 10xing your commissions, and you will also be finding the best products that you already have or you're going to be buying to help you advance in the ranks. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, like the video, subscribe, drop a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.